I do not judge people. I judge facts and apply the law to the facts. Look, not everybody can win, and lots of times the results are painful for people. And I was involved in a case that impacted the lives of thousands of people. It was a pharmaceutical claim, and I just wasn't convinced that the evidence was there, the scientific evidence was there to support the claim. After a couple week long hearing and after a couple months of preparing for it, and then another month, writing my decision, I had to say thumbs down to a very large claim involving a large number of people. And I don't even like the pharmaceutical industry, okay? But so sometimes in the law, you have to do what the facts and the law dictate. And so there are occasions as a judge when I really struggled getting, so to speak, to the finish line. And on that particular occasion, I had the appellate court overrule me and tell me I got it wrong. And then I had the Supreme Court, which was the highest court in New Jersey, tell me, he got it right. So ultimately, my reasoning and the facts vindicated me. It's very challenging. And sometimes I tried never to lose sleep over anything, and I routinely do not. But you may have found this in your life already. There will be some things that they are the last thing you think about before you go to sleep, and they are the first thing you think of when you wake up in the morning. There are some things that get that so deep into your system, they just take over your life until it's over. And I've had that situation in my life, both as a lawyer and a judge, where for days, weeks, you become a living part of that problem and you just stay with it. Your attention has to just stay focused on it. You have to get everything else out of the way, and you have to stay with it, because when you permit yourself to get distracted, you're just wasting time. When you have a serious problem, everything else gets out of the way, and you must focus on that serious problem. And I don't care what profession you are in, it's the same way. When you know you have something that's important to your career and important to the people around you, you must work at it until you get it resolved. I had to do that many times as a lawyer, and I had to do it many times as a judge, which is get everything else out of the way. Let's focus on this one thing, and then we can go back to business as normal. So don't spread yourself too thin, is what I say to people. When you have a challenging problem in your career, focus on it, get it resolved, and then go back to spreading yourself thin.